Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken leg piece curry. It's a very simple process. We will cook it on the stove, we don't oven it, or we are not going to grill them. We just use a pan, non-stick pan, to cook the chicken. This we can eat as a snack in the evening or in the parties. Whenever you have some guests coming over, you just make in a different way, chicken in a different way. Tastes very good, very yummy, and you can use this as an appetizer, in the parties. Let's get into the process.
Take a bowl and let's add our spices to this. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of the turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of whole milk yogurt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, around 1 teaspoon of the salt or salt to taste, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Take 1 lemon and lemon juice, 1 lemon, and mix all this. So our marinated paste is ready. Once we mix it, and we can apply this mixture to each leg piece. You can also taste this a little bit and see all ingredients are okay. I'm adding a little bit onion powder for the flavor. Mix it. Let's apply to the leg pieces. So clean leg pieces and take them into the bowl and make cuts into the leg pieces. So take the knife and just cut like this. So make cuts all over the leg pieces, for all the leg pieces. So this is the general marinated paste for any kind of chicken or red meat. Generally we use these ingredients to mix meat. So let's marinate chicken pieces. Take the chicken pieces and apply paste to all these pieces. Apply all the paste like this and cover it and put it in the fridge for minimum 30 minutes. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then we can cook it. Either we can cook this on the grill or in the oven or on the stove. Today I am going to make on the stove. Pan is heated. Let's add 4 tablespoons of oil to it. We need a little bit more oil because we are just shallow frying the leg pieces, right? So we need a little more oil. Let the oil heat. So when oil is heated, add whole garam masala. Mix it. The green chilies. And chopped onions. I
take 1 cup of chopped onion. To mix it in between. Onions are fried, so now we can add chicken into this. Add chicken pieces to this. Add the remaining of this marinated juice on top of this one. Keep the flame between medium to high and cover the lid. Make sure the chicken is not sticking to the bottom. In between you have to make sure to mix it easy, smooth. Let's open it. We need to flip this leg pieces now. So let's turn this. You can see water also released from the chicken pieces. So this water will be enough for it to cook. So let's do all of them like this. Now let's close the lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes in medium flame. In the middle, just try to make sure it is not sticking to the bottom, you know, the liquid is. So just easy slow mix like this. Yeah, just we need to keep on mixing it until the chicken is tender and cooked under medium flame. You can taste now and see whether enough ingredients, or you can add it like salt, you know, little bit of. Let me taste it. So chicken is cooked. Now we can turn off the flame and take it to the serving bowl and enjoy the chicken leg pieces. After taking the serving bowl, our chicken leg pieces looks like this. Very juicy, very tender, ready to eat. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye.